What appealed to me about Carey's part-time MBA program is that it gave me the flexibility to manage not only my full-time job and my personal life. I really liked the fact that Carey's Flexible MBA offered both synchronous and asynchronous options. A number of my courses offered residencies that were in a virtual or in-person format, and those really allowed me to connect real-time with students inside my industry or even outside of my industry. And the asynchronous options helped me catch up on assignments with a full-time job and a personal life, and I truly felt like I was supported in all areas to succeed. The Flexible MBA program really helped my career. I was offered 2 promotions during my time at Carey, and I truly felt I was able to excel in my coursework, excel at work, and not let my personal life take a backseat.